versus fucking humans. Let's get it. God damn, this is so retarded. Oh God, they're getting murdered. Get them, boys. Get them. Come on. Holy shit. Come on. They're getting them. What happens when you put Arc Dodos versus a shit ton of modded human NPCs? This shit. Oh God, another one goes. I think they won. Oh, I know there's a couple more. Get them, boys, get them. Get her asses, get them. Oh my God. Jesus Christ almighty on a stick. They're like the last couple of humans dare challenge my dodos. They learn. Get We won, bitch. The biggest tribe of NPC humans on the server just got an ass whooping. Subscribe.